is Nick Westlie, Production Supervisor 2. I'm over Plant 2, Case Line, Hairpins, and Press Department.
My name is Hector Ramirez. I am the day shift production supervisor, and I currently oversee the milling department, header braze, copper assembly, steel assembly, weld shop, and the nuclear department.
Hi, I'm Tim Schumacher, production supervisor and second shift.
My name is Brandon Tapie. I oversee the coil braze, testing, inspection, and shipping and crating department.
My name is Tu Song. I'm a second shift supervisor here. The departments that I oversee are all of Plant 2, the presses, and milling.
I enjoy working at SRC because of all the new products. This is something that I haven't been part of before in my manufacturing career, so the new challenges that come with learning a new product line and becoming part of the team.
Having the opportunity to grow and watch other individuals succeed at different roles that they've been in, and giving me the opportunity to grow my skill sets and see some of the product that we've made for different companies.
I enjoy working at SRC because of the challenges that I am given on a day-to-day basis. It's an exciting place to work, it's fast-paced, and you're never bored.
I enjoy working here because there's a great team here. The employees are great, the management team is wonderful. I feel very welcomed here.
The biggest thing is SRC is really a company that gives the opportunity to anybody that's willing to work for it and really wants it.
So what I would look for in an individual to join the SRC team would be a good work ethic. We definitely need our team members here on time, accountable for what they do. I also like a team member that can communicate well.
The most important thing is they come in with the right attitude. They come in putting in the work, putting in the effort. We'll take care of the rest. I don't expect you to know everything. Nobody's comes in learning everything. I'm still learning every day.
Someone that's hardworking, who looks to come to work every day to accomplish their job and is willing to learn. I think that's the biggest thing, is a willingness to learn new skills and bring those to the table every day.
Employees that are trusting, good teamwork, very caring, respectful, seem to be good traits to work within our realm of superheated coils.
So as a supervisor, I enjoy being able to communicate well with my team, and that allows me to facilitate the needs of each team member individually, kind of meet them where they're at and be able to kind of rise them up to where they need to be.
The thing I like the most about being a supervisor at SRC is working with the people. We have a lot of different backgrounds and personalities, and it's something I really enjoy here.
Everybody here is great, lots of opportunities here. The company's growing. There's a lot to learn, a lot of challenges, and I like challenges.
There's never been a day where I've woken up and said, man, I gotta go to work today. It's always been, hey, we're ready, we're gonna take this on.
My favorite core value is definitely teamwork. Without an entire team to come together on projects, none of them can succeed, so definitely teamwork.
My favorite core value is problem solving. I like finding new, more efficient ways to accomplish my goals and tasks.
My favorite definitely have to be problem solving. Problem solving is kind of our daily duties here. A customer has a problem, we're here to help them. I have problems out on the floor every single day we gotta solve.
My favorite core value is problem solving. There's always a challenge to issues, and every time I finish a task, it gives me a good feeling that I've accomplished something.
My favorite is relationships, which that in turn helps build a nice teamwork together when we have a strong relationship built between the employees.
When I'm not at work here at SRC, I enjoy spending time with my two children. I have one son, one daughter, and we really enjoy going out camping. We try to do that every weekend.
I'm really big into drag racing. That's kind of my thing. I love cars, working on them, anything to do with them. So
I really love the outdoors. Myself and my wife do a lot of hiking and camping through the summer.
I like to spend time with my two kids and my wife, go boating, go to the cabin, go fishing.
I like gardening, I like fishing, hiking, even rock hunting. Overall, I like spending time with my daughter, and we'll go out and do any of those stuff.
My name is Jim DeWitt, Vice President of the Chaska Division of Super Radiator Coils. The life of the supervisor to me is really about helping your people. It's about coordinating with your other supervisors and to orchestrate that, to harmonize that so that product flows easily through the shop as stress-free as possible. I would like everyone that works on our shop floor to view the supervisor as an ally, as someone that has their back, someone they can trust, and someone that if they want to do more and be more and make more, the supervisor will be an advocate for them. But underneath it all are the life stories of all of the employees as they unfold on a day-to-day and week-to-week and year-to-year basis. I made the decision to work at Super Radiator Coils back in January of 1987. It's been one of the best decisions I've ever made. I can't tell you what we'll be doing in 2 years, but I know it'll be exciting, I know it'll be empowering, I know it'll be more than it is today.